In this video, I will show you how to install the counterweight and adjust the cartridge tracking force. Gently push and turn the counterweight onto the rear of the tone arm. Make sure the dial is facing towards the front of the turntable. Make sure to lower the tone arm lift lever and position the cartridge in the space between the tone arm rest and the platter. Carefully rotate the counterweight until the tone arm achieves a neutral balance. The tone arm should return to this balanced position if it's moved up or down. The adjustment must be done carefully. Once the tone arm is correctly balanced, return the tone arm to its rest. Hold the counterweight without moving it, and gently rotate the tracking force dial until the 0 is in line with the black center line on the back of the tone arm. Rotate the counterweight to adjust the tracking force according to the cartridge recommendations.